tremendous effort by Ateneo. They had the right idea. They wanted to go to Herbacio. But San Sebastian, with Quigley just coming alive here, able to beat Ateneo's challenge and will climb up to 4 wins and a single loss just behind FAU in the third.
All right, and we have Anne Remulla with our Shakey's best player of the game.
Thank you, Ian. We've just seen that exciting 5-set thriller. At syempre, dito nanalo ang San Sebastian College. Pero, alam naman natin, every game, naghahanap tayo ng ating top performer. And for this afternoon, our best player of the game is Miss Joy Benito. Joy, isang question lang, no? In-expect nyo ba na hahaba ng 5 sets itong game na to?
Pwede, kasi lalaban naman yung kalaban namin eh. So, hindi kailangan mag-relax. At yun yan, siyempre, may bubuga din yan. So, kailangan din dapat lumaban din kami.
Thank you very much and congratulations. At dahil ikaw ang ating Shakey's best player of the game, you have a badge from Shakey's. Any people you want to thank or greet?
Yan, binabati ko mga tito ko sa Angeles, Pampanga, sa San Fernando, Pampanga, mga friends ko, si Mamita, Tito Jun, Ate Kai, Ate Ina, Dadaging, Drew, mama ko, tsaka papa ko dyan.
Okay, thank you very much. Congratulations once again. Back to you, Doc Ian and Coach Ronnie.
All right.